Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Talk with Tanya. Today, I'm going to address how to break down your goals. So by the end of today's talk, you're going to find that simple step you need to have in order to achieve what your goal or goals are. So the first thing I want you to do is think about all these goals that you want to achieve. And let's say there's 5 goals. I want you to look at those 5 goals and I want you to break it down to what your number one goal is. And the reason why I want you to do that is when you're overwhelmed with all these goals that you want to achieve, it's going to become very difficult. It's going to become very stressful, and there's going to be really nothing having you move forward to achieve any of those goals in the end. So that's why I want you to break down to what is your number one goal, and then your number 2, number 3, number 4, and let's say number 5. So looking at that number one goal that you have, that's what we're going to talk about. How are you going to break that down? This is what you're going to do. You're going to look at that goal and you're going to decide, why is it you want to achieve that? Why do you want to achieve that? How is it going to make you feel? How is it going to make your world different from how it is today? So, prime example. Let's say your number one goal is you want to wear that dress that's been hanging in your closet forever, because when you can get into that, you're going to feel absolutely sexy because it's your favorite dress. You want to wear that dress because you have a special occasion you're planning on attending in 3 months. You want to get into that dress because you love how it always makes you feel. And I'm just choosing that scenario because I hear so many women are talking about why they want to lose weight. Okay? So you've taken that one top goal, you've broken it down into why you want to achieve it, how it's going to make you feel, and how it's going to change the way you think about yourself, the way you see yourself. Now here's another big important step. You need to give yourself permission to acknowledge why you want to achieve that goal. You need to give yourself permission to go after that goal. You need to give yourself permission to not let your fears or your guilt stop you. Again, not let your fears or your guilt stop you from moving forward to achieve that goal. And the other step is to acknowledge and love yourself and be proud of yourself for all the baby steps you're taking to achieve that goal. What are the baby steps? Again, looking at that goal, why do you want to achieve it? How is it going to make you feel? What do you need to do are your baby steps. What do you need to do to get to that goal? And I want you to write all these things down, because when you have them written down, it's your actual visual reminder. Again, acknowledge the baby steps. Feel proud when you take that baby steps. Feel proud even that you're making this a priority in your life. Feel proud of yourself that you love yourself enough to go after that goal and achieve it. And give yourself a timeline. Not, I'm going to have it achieved by tomorrow. I'm going to have it achieved in 30 days. Make it something realistic. Like, I'm going to achieve this goal by date it, and make it 3-6 months down the road, because then you're not going to feel pressured when you shorten the timeline. Because, for example, looking at that weight loss, that's a long timeline, right? You want to lose your weight in a healthy way. You want to change your mindset in a healthy way. If your goal is simple step, like every time I look in the mirror, I'm going to give myself a compliment. That's a huge goal if you've never made any kind of compliment before. And that baby step is, again, really making that mental and visual reminder. You can write on the mirror, write on a sticky note, and put it on the mirror and say, what is my self-compliment today? And you're going to realize and feel and experience, the more you give yourself compliments, the more your self-confidence goes up, the more your self-esteem goes up. And of course, number one, you will acknowledge and start loving yourself. You make your own self-care important. You'll make your own self-worth, and positive mindsets will happen. You'll transform yourself overall. Your mind, the way you think, the way you see things will become on that positive journey that you want to travel. So that is my tip for you, how to accomplish that goal that you have set out. Write it down, how it's going to change your life, the positive things about it, the baby steps, the time where you want to achieve it, and of course, congratulate yourself. Acknowledge how wonderful you are every day, because that in itself makes a huge difference in you going forth and not letting your fears and your guilt stop you going forth, and allowing yourself permission to do it, because you deserve it. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to achieve those goals that you want to. Remember, I'm here for you. I want to listen to you. I want to have you move forward and be inspired and motivated and supported like I have all these other women. I want to do that for you. And it's simple. Just reach out to me. Let's have a virtual chat. Let me help you get on those first steps that you need. This is Talk with Tanya, your health, wellness, fitness coach, self-care expert. I'm here for you, helping you move forward, helping you realize that you deserve self-love, self-care. You deserve to make yourself important, and of course, create a positive mindset about yourself. Create a positive vibe about yourself. Realize how beautiful you are on the inside and on the outside. Realize how kind you are and caring. And before you go to bed tonight, think about the best thing that happened today. And when you wake up in the morning, feel gratitude and send it out, what you're thankful for, what you're grateful for. This is Tanya Otterstein-Liehs wishing you a beautiful day. Next time you pass by a mirror, look by a mirror, stop and smile and say to yourself, you are an amazing, phenomenal, exceptional, incredible woman. Enjoy your Friday. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.